found a 125 Anki though.
I don't care.
A black hole.
I'm still gonna say it low-key does.
Why? It doesn't.
Fight back, nigga! Fight back, nigga! Fight!
She gon' go on the sound of my waist out while she gripping on my piss out. She gon' fuck the night, it's mess her, she gon' go.
Alright everybody, we're back with another video, and today we're going to be taming some Dinosuchus. And there's another Baryonyx that's like in a lake that we're going to tame. So I don't feel like really building the trap for it, so me and my brother just gonna jump it.
Hey, come here. I'm doing donuts in the RG.
What are you doing?
I was just doing it. Hold on. I was doing donuts earlier. Alright, submarine, calm down. I'm calling the Baryonyx submarine.
Oh, that'd be lit. I wanted to call the dinosaur nephew. I don't know. I might call.
Oh, you can follow by a shark. Not a shark.
So. Oh, this isn't even the island.
I was underwater and I'm burning, bro.
Yeah, right. That's weird. I am wearing that fur,
right?
Right? I think I'm wearing my fur. Let me take that off. Yeah, that was pretty.
Get out. I'm not.
That's weird. I pumped a little bit in the fortitude though. I be booling, I be coolin'. That's the shit that I like.
Shouldn't it be pumping itself as time goes on?
Fortitude, it should, but you know, it's a game, so.
Where the fuck you went?
I went. Which way did you go? Are we made boosted? No, we're not made boosted. Maybe we got males or females. Yeah, at least we got females.
Mine's a female.
Yeah.
Why is yours?
Oh, cause I'm jumping and shit. You know, like on Minecraft. Over here, sprint jumping and shit. I like the way Carnos. I guess it doesn't make sense for Carnos to jump. We do have a raptor right there. We can kill it. Oh, I'm burning up. Oh, just do those. Oh, that might be an alpha raptor. Yeah, that's an alpha raptor. Oh, let's jump it. Come on, CJ. Just get in there. Stop sprinting. Hey, get it?
No, you got something different.
Try not to get hit by so much. Get in there! What you doing? The hell was that?
I was swinging.
Oh,
that
there it
just
is.
looks so fucking
Is it right here?
stupid.
Pull out your crossbow.
Attack it.
No, wait, is
Attack
it? No, we're not attacking it. Pull out your crossbow.
Is that not it?
That is it. Don't attack it yet. It's actually, you know what? It might run away. Start shooting it.
So what we do?
Hold on, wait. Okay, hold on. Move out the way, move out the way. Get out of there. I think it's...
Just running.
Yeah, I see that. He's out. Kill that damn turtle. So what the fuck we talking about?
I did enjoy it at work.
No, I want to get prime fish.
Are you killing raptors?
Oh, I want to kill all the... Oh, that's an alpha carno. Wait. Behind you. I got it.
Man, your dino's so bloody, bro.
Yeah, because I took all the fucking fight of that damn alpha raptor. Oh, did that say 145? We can't fight a 145 alpha carno.
I mean, I can.
That's a level 25. I mean, we can kill it. Oh shit. Where you at? Come here. Switch arrows to your normal stone arrows.
I don't have those.
Yeah, no.
I got a pistol.
Oh yeah, shoot that damn Carno. Don't shoot me, please.
Reload. We just knock it out.
No, you can't knock it out. I've never knocked it out before. Alright. We're getting it. There's Alpha Raptor too. Hey CJ, we're in it.
No, get out the fucking gun.
I'm dead. Oh no. I might die here, CJ.
Run away, run away.
I am. Oh, I'm broken. I got a broken leg. Oh my goodness. CJ, get in the water and try to swim away. That was a bad idea.
I haven't been hit by it yet.
Alright.
I'm still full health.
Don't die then. I am a bite away from death. You can get it, you can get it. There's an Alpha Raptor next to you, so. You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
I'm gonna need some updates now. You got it?
Yes.
That's what we're talking about.
Going back this way.
Was that your footsteps? Oh no, there it is. It's up here.
Go up the hill, bro.
Oh, we're fine. Oh my goodness. I am so close to being dead. Let's go back.
Hit me.
Huh?
Something hit me. After the fact.
What can hit you?
What hits me?
I don't know.
Hear that?
I did not.
Oh, I shook my legs very aggressively.
What?
Oh, I got Kayan armor.
Yeah, from the raptor.
Dope. Oh no, the raptors I see now.
Alright, come on, let's go tame the spirit.
No, I'm good. You got Prime. Man, bullies. Oh, I did not know this thing could jump like that.
What the hell is going on here?
Oh, they was bullying the fucking horse thing.
You see that theory right there? We might have to just whistle the baryonyx onto it. But I think we'll be alright now, to be honest.
I don't know what.
The theory back there, my nigga, you don't see that?
Bro.
What's going on? You
Hey, is this, can you? I don't know. Did I bring stuff to make a camp fizzle?
What?
Why does he punch every time I hold square? Or hit square?
I don't know, I found a 125 Anki though.
I don't care. For trousers. So wowzers. We flying?
Yeah, we flying, what else we doing?
What is Anki?
Oh, I'm taming it right now. I got an ascended crossbow, it shouldn't take too long. Wow, did it really hit me? Oh, I'm crashing again.
Damn, this make the fuck out of you.
Yeah, I'm not over there, by the way. I think something wrong with my Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'm crashing again. Hey guys, I'm back. I don't know how many times we're gonna have to do that. Just having a little crashy problem right now. It says I'm keep losing connection to the host, so I don't really know. I think it's just a little ARK problem. I hope. Tick tock on the spot. No.
Calm down, Katy Perry.
I don't think Katy Perry made that.
You know who made it?
I don't know. I like listening to it though.
Oh no, that was fucking the white lady.
Both of them white.
That ain't gonna work. Fucking the popular one.
What is going on here? Oh, okay. You know you can turn those into ramps. I just don't like the way the ramps look.
The real popular one.
There's a yellow
What's that
drop.
lady name?
There's a yellow drop back at the base. I'm gonna go get it.
What the door that you trying to make automatic?
Oh, you see it. It's only one door.
Rihanna.
Quack, 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 quack.
Isn't there like 3 Rihannas, right?
I
Yeah.
think you think about something else. Oh, I got some metal structures.
Bunch of Rihanna. Huh?
I got metal structures.
I give you my metal structure. What the fuck? It just jumped. Oh. I don't care. I don't want him back. I want him dead. I swear these was hooded. But then he running.
We're about to, I couldn't find any more Dinosuchuses. So I'm gonna have to reset the dinosaur spawns because that one's been here for a while. So I'm gonna have to reset the dinosaur spawns and we're gonna tame Allos instead right now. There was a level like 135 and 120 Allos over here. And I just, early in the recording, you saw me find that Ascended Allos saddle. So we finna go make do. If I can hit the turtle. Hold on. Okay. Oh, the Baryonyx is attacking the Allo's gonna die. Far away. I fly to the. Let's find the other Allo. Why is it almost dead? I'm gonna kill this Allosaurus if I shoot it. Hold on. Wait a minute. How many is it? Hey CJ, spyglass that Allosaurus in the middle of the lake right there. Not the one that's over me to your left.
That's a 120.
Alright, go over to that one. It don't look dead.
No, it's full health.
Is it fighting piranha? That thing is almost dead. I'm gonna just shoot at it. Oh, okay.
He hits the archer. You wanna take it out the water?
Yeah, fall out the water. Where you going? Oh, why are we moving slow? That's what I should have said. Alright, we're good. We don't have to go. We don't have to go that far. Stop. I'm almost dead to heat. Hold on.
You wanna take it away?
No, I'm half health. Yeah. Take me away. Man, I almost have 20 fortitude. This makes no damn sense. Not over the rock. Oh my goodness. You almost killed me right there.
Oh my. No, I didn't expect it to throw you behind me when I dropped you. Cause I was over the water. And then you went straight behind me.
You can land and hop in the water too. It's following me.
Why did you? Oh.
It's following me.
What the? I'm dead.
Up there. You didn't check before you landed? What was that?
Nope. Nope.
I guess I'll come back and grab the kid. Alright, here I come. I don't really know what we're gonna do about the theory. Is it all level? Hey CJ, swim back on the Baryonyx. Berry onto the theory. What's a little theory?
I can't see it through your wing.
Let's see if I can do it again.
Give your back to it so I can see it.
No, no.
The attacking it is in there.
Oh, the theory can't hit the barrier. What's the barrier on neutral? Attack it. Oh my goodness, the rock's in the way. Oh my goodness. The bear's almost got it. Oh, the bear's about to die. What? Well, it could just be half health. Yeah, got it. Yeah. You got the shit?
Mm-hmm. There you go.
What the fuck we talking about?
I'm half dead now.
Oh, don't worry. You got me like twice.
It was a joke, Sam. Shut the fuck up. What, can it breathe on the water?
No, if it could run in the water, that means it can breathe. Was it running when you shot it? Or was it swimming?
Yeah.
We're good
It
then.
was running.
Recorded any of that taming of the fucking Allosaurus. Oh, this one's. You fighting, right?
Bruh.
Of course we lag.
Fight back, nigga! Fight back! Fight back! Oh my god! Wow!
Alright guys, if you have enjoyed this video, leave a like, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.